A business has earned average profit of rupees 4 lakh during the last few years. तो average profit दे दिया है हमें directly and they are saying that average profit is 4 lakh rupees. And the normal rate of return in the similar business is 10%. So this is the NRR which has been given to us. So NRR is of a 10%. Find the value of a goodwill by. You have to find out the goodwill by two methods over here. One is capitalization of super profit method and another one is a super profit method. ठीक है, एक कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड से और एक नॉर्मल सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड से. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द गुडविल. इफ द गुडविल इज वैल्यूड एट 3 years ऑफ द परचेज ऑफ अ सुपर प्रॉफिट. कितने ईयर्स का परचेज है? 3 years का परचेज है. Assets of the business were 40 lakh and its external liability is 7,20,000. Assets कितने हमारे पास बिजनेस में? 40 लाख के. और आउटसाइड लायबिलिटीज कितनी है? 7,20,000. So this is the information which is given to us for calculating the capital employed. Assets minus liabilities करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है? We get a average of the capital employed. तो चलो let's first write it down कि average profit is 4 lakh. Normal rate of return is 10%. So the goodwill by capitalization of super profit will be then we will find out first the capital employed. Which is equals to assets minus outside. Better you use the word, जो भी word इधर use हुआ है, that only the word we will be using. Assets are of 40 lakh. Minus 7,20,000. So this is equals to 32 lakh. Next, we need to find out the normal profit first. The normal profit is equal to capital employed into NRR. So we have just find it out the capital employed. 32 lakh 80,000. NRR is 10%. So 10. What is super profit? Super profit is actual profit minus normal profit. So next step will be to find out the super profit. So 4 lakh minus 3,28,000. Which will be equal to rupees 72,000. Now we know the formula of calculating the goodwill by a capitalization of super profit. So let's write down the formula. So goodwill is equals to super profit into 100 divided by NRR. So the super profit is equal to 2000 into 100 divided by 10. Equal to 7,20,000. So we got a goodwill by capitalization method first. Now the next step will be to find out the goodwill by a super profit method, because they have told us that it will be a 3 years of the purchase. So finding out the goodwill. Super profit method. Goodwill is valued years of purchase. So just write down the formula first. Goodwill is equals to super profit into number of years of purchase. 72,000 into so this will be equal to 2,16,000. So the goodwill will be valued at what? 2,16,000 rupees. We have finded out the goodwill by a super profit method and by the capitalization of super profit method.